Hello and welcome friends in my new video. Today we are going to solve question number 27 to question number 32 from chapter number 4, changing profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. Question number 27, A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 4:3. Their balance sheet as at 31st March 2019 stood as in liability side, creditors, reserves, capitals, cash, asset side, debtors, stock, fixed asset. Adjustment. They decided that with effect from 1st April 2019, they will share profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. For this purpose, they decided that first, fixed assets are to be reduced by 10%. Second, the provision for doubtful debt of 6% be made on sundry debtors. Third, stock be valued at 1,90,000. Fourth, an amount of 3,700 included in creditors is not likely to be claimed. Partner decided to record the revised values in the books. That means we can prepare the revaluation account easily. However, they do not want to distribute the reserves, so we are going to maintain it. We are going to pass the journal entries, prepare capital account of partners, and revise balance sheet. Okay, so let us start. First, we are going to have journal entries. Question number 27. Entries, date, particular, laser folder, debits, credit, debits. Now we are going to pass the entry of reserve first because reserves are not recorded in the reserves are not going to be distributed. Okay, so for that we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio first. Okay, we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. Sacrificing ratio equals to, this is working by old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, first we are going to find out A. This ratio was 4/7, B 3/7. Now the new ratio was 2:1, that means 2/3, 1/3. So 21, 3 4 by 12, 7 to 14 minus 2/21. This is gain. 21, 9 minus 7. 2/21, this is sacrifice. We are going to find out the amount of A and B. Okay, 2/21 of reserve. Reserve amount was given to us is 42,000. Okay, so it will be it will be 2,000. So 4,000 is the amount. So we are going to pass the first entry here. The first entry is, now if you see, A is gaining, so A is capital account debit. A is capital account debit. This is working portion. Okay. 2. B is capital account. The amount is 4,000 here. 4,000. B reserves are adjusted. They are not distributed. Okay, they are adjusting. Now we move to second entry. Now we are going to pass the revaluation entries. First, we are going to record the losses. So revaluation account debit. If you see, the fixed assets are reduced by 10%. So to fixed assets are given 1,50,000. So to fixed assets account, it is 1,50,000. 10% of that will be 15,000. Okay. Then it is a provision for doubtful debt of 6% to be made on debtors. So to provision for doubtful debt account. Okay, so 6% of 1,20,000 plus is the 7,200. Okay, and stock to be valued at 1,90,000. So there is a profit in stock and creditors also there is a profit. So the amount will be 22,200. Okay. B, assets revalue. Now we move to next entry. Third entry we are going to have entry number 3. Now stock account debit, creditors account debit, to revaluation account. Okay. Now there is an increase of 50,000 in the stock. Okay. Now creditors are not likely to be claimed are 3,700. So total 53,700. Okay. B, assets and liabilities revalue. Okay. We are doing revaluation, so it is revalue. Now we are going to find out the profit of revaluation. There is a profit, there is an excess of credit over debit. So there is a profit and we are going to write down the profit entry. So revaluation account debit to A's capital to B's capital. The difference amount, if you see, that will be 31,500. Okay. Now it will be divided into 4:3. 7 4s are 28. 7 5s are 25. 4,500. 9 18,000. And 9 plus 4 13,500. Okay. Being revaluation profit distributed in 4:3. Okay, that is the old ratio. Now this is entries are over. Now we move to prepare partners capital and balance sheet. Balance sheet, as at the date is given 31st March, so the next balance sheet will be 19. It is liability side, rupees, assets, rupees. Now we are going to prepare partners capital also. Credit debit. Partners capital account. Okay. Particular A. Particular A. Now let us start. We are going to post the items in the balance sheet. Sundry creditors. There is an adjustment, so I am going to write it inside the column. Okay. Then reserves we are not distributing. It will be written as it is. That is 42,000. Okay. And then capitals we are going to write in capital account by balance brought down, that is 2,40,000 and 1,20,000. Now we move to asset side. Okay, cash there is no adjustment, so we are going to write outside 5,000. Debtors, there is an adjustment of PBD, so we are going to write inside 1,20,000. Okay. Then stock, there is an adjustment, we are going to write inside, that is 1,40,000. Fixed assets. Okay. The balance is 1,50,000. Now let us start. The adjustment, fixed assets are to be reduced by 10%. So we are going to depreciate, less depreciation, that is 10%, 15,000, it will be 1,35,000 outside. Okay, then it is said a provision for doubtful debt to be made 6% on debtors, so less PBD, that is provision for bad debt 6% plus 6 or 72, 7,200, so it will be 1,12,800. Okay. Then stock to be valued at 1,90,000. Stock is to be valued at 1,90,000. That means there is an increase in stock 50,000. That is called appreciation. Okay. So appreciation is 50,000. The second effect of these things will be in the revaluation account. Less. This is written off 3,700. Okay, because that amount is not likely to be claimed, so it will be 24,300. Now, it is said the reserves are not going to be distributed. We have already passed the entry. That entry was A's capital account added to B's capital account. So we are going to write here to B's capital account. The amount was 4,000. We have already done that adjustment previously, and here we are going to credit B's capital account by 4,000. Okay. Then there was a profit of revaluation. Okay, that revaluation profit we are going to write here by revaluation account. In the entry you have seen that we have already done. The profit was 18,000 and 13,500. Now after this we are going to close it. So it will be 2,58,000, 133, 137, 500, 137, 500. Okay. 2,58,000. 1,37,500. So the same amount will be here, 137,500 and 2,54,000. This is two balance carried down, that is closing balance. We are going to transfer to liability side, that is capital. A's capital was 2,54,000, whereas These capital will be 37,500. So the total will be 3,91,500. Okay. Now let us close and find out the total. 391, 393, 397, 397, 457, 800. 457, 800. Okay. Here let us see 132, 232, 322, 422, 457, 800. Okay. So our account balance sheet tallies, and this is the end of the question number 27. Now we move to question number 28. Question number 28. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm sharing profit and losses as 5:4:3. The balance sheet as at 31st March 2019 was given: liability side, creditors, outstanding expenses, general reserve, capital XYZ, asset side, cash at bank, debtors, stock, furniture, plant and machinery. From 1st April 2019, they agreed to alter their profit sharing ratio as 4:3:2. It is also decided that first, furniture be taken at 80% of its value. B. Stock be appreciated by 20%. C. Plant and machinery be valued at 4 lakh. D. Outstanding expenses be increased by 13,000. Partners agreed that altered values are not to be recorded in the books. That means we are not going to prepare the revaluation account. And they also do not want to distribute the general reserve. So we are going to find out the gaining and sacrificing ratio for the same. You are required to pass a single journal entry to give effect to the above. Also prepare balance sheet of the new firm. So figure 28. Statement of revaluation. First we are going to prepare the statement of revaluation. Whatever rupees you are going to add here, the increase in asset and decrease in liability, and we are going to deduct decreasing asset and increasing liability. So let us start. Furniture to be taken at 80% of the book value, and this furniture is decreasing. So the value of furniture is 20%. That will be 12,000. Okay. Then stock be appreciated by 20%. So stock is appreciated. That will be 60,000. Then next, plant and machinery to be valued at 4 lakh. So plant and machinery that is 20,000. Then outstanding expenses be increased by 31. So outstanding expenses, okay, 13,000. Here it will be 60,000. Here it will be 45,000. So the total amount adjustable, that is revaluation profit. Okay. Now we are going to find out the total adjustable amount. So total adjustable amount will be, as this profit is not going to be shown in the books, plus reserves are not going to be distributed. So we are going to take the reserves 15. So total will be 90,000. Okay. Now we are going to find out the gaining and sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. This is the second step we are going to do. This is step second, step first. Okay. In that x, y, z. The previous ratio was 5 by 12, 4 by 12, 3 by 12. Okay. Now the new ratio is 4 by 9, 3 by 9, 2 by 9, 36, 15, 16 minus 1 by 36 is again 36, 12 minus 12, 0, 36, 9 minus 8, 1 by 36 is a sacrifice. Now let us find out the amount. Okay. Amount of x and z equals to 1 by 36 of 90,000. So 36 to the 72 plus 8. 25 is 2,500. Okay. Now it is said pass the single journal entry for the above fact, and we have to prepare the balance sheet of the firm. So let us pass the entry. Date, particular, less than 4 years, debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay. First entry, that will be X capital account debit to Z's capital account. Our entry is gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner. X is gaining, that's why his capital account is debited with 2,500. Okay. Being revaluation, profit and general result adjustment. Now we are going to prepare the balance sheet. As the books value are not going to change, that means all the items will remain same except capital. Okay. So let us start. Balance sheet, asset, first chapter 19, liability, rupees, assets, rupees, creditors, $40,000. Outstanding expenses, 15,000. Journalism, 75,000. Capital accounts, X, Y, Z. Previously it was 4 lakh. It was 3 lakh and it was 2 lakh. In this we are going to add, and here we are going to deduct 2,500. Z is going to have 2,500. So it will be 3,97,500. It will be 3 lakh itself. Okay, and it will be 2,02,500. The total balance sheet will be same, 10,30,000. Okay, cash in bank, asset side there will be no change because book values are not going to be changed. 40,000. Sundry debtors, 2,10,000. Stock, 3 lakh. Furniture, 60,000. Land and machinery, 4,20,000. Okay, this is the end of question number 28. Now we move to next question, question number 29. Balance sheet of X and Y, who share profit and losses as 5:3, as at 1st April 2019 is X capital, Y capital, general reserve, creditors, employees provident fund, workmen compensation reserve, goodwill, machinery, furniture, debtors, stock, bank, advertisement, suspense. Adjustments on the above date, they decided to change their profit sharing ratio to 3:5 and agreed upon the following. Goodwill be valued at on the basis of 2 years purchase of average profit of last 3 years. Profit for the 3 year are given. Then next, machinery and stock be valued at 45,000 and 8,000 respectively. Next, claim on account of workman compensation is 6,000. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and the balance sheet of the new firm. So let us start. Question number 29. Okay. Revaluation account. It is a nominal account that you have to remember always. Okay. Now we have to prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet as at 1st April 19. Liability, rupees. Assets, rupees. XY, right? Particular, XY, particular, debit, partners capital account. So let us start. Just we are going to start with the posting by balance. B 52,000, 54,000. Okay. Then we are going to distribute general reserve by general reserve account. The amount is 4,800. 8 6 are 48. 6 5s are 30, 6 3s are 1800. Okay. Now we move to creditors. There is no adjustment, so we are going to write creditors outside. Sundry, creditors, The amount is 5,000. Employees Provident Fund. The amount given is 1,000. Okay. Now, workman compensation reserve is 10,000. Out of that, we have claim of 6,000. So, provision for workman compensation claim will be 6,000. So, the remaining 4,000 will be distributed between the partners in the whole ratio. So, by workman compensation reserve. Okay. So 8 5s are 40, 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15. Okay. So reserves we have distributed, goodwill will be distributed this side, whole goodwill. So to goodwill, the amount given is 8,000, so 5,000, 3,000. Okay. Now next side, machinery. Machinery, there was an adjustment 38,000. Okay, so we are going to deduct. Machinery is valued at 45, so sorry, we are going to add it. Appreciation 7,000, so it will be 45,000. Okay, here by machinery, whenever you are doing an adjustment, please write at the same time. So there will be double entry system and you are not going to have any difficulty in posting. Your answer will be always correct. So let us start. Then furniture, there is no adjustment. So we are going to write outside 15,000. Then debtors, there is no adjustment, so we are going to write outside 33,000. Stock, there is an adjustment, the amount is 7,000 and it is also appreciated, it will become 8,000, so 1,000 is an appreciation and appreciation. Okay, so by stock 1,000. Okay, then claim is already over. Now we are going to close this one. First you have to close the issue account. 8,000, 8,000, 8,000 is the profit. We are going to distribute in partners capital. This is profit. X, Y ratio is 5:3. So it will be 5,000, 3,000. Okay. So we are going to have by free valuation account 5,000, 3,000. Now there is a adjustment of goodwill that we have to do. It is said on the basis of average profit, so we are going to find out the average profit. Average profit equals to sum of all the year's profit upon number of years. Okay, so the profit given is 7,500 plus 4,000 plus 6,500 upon 3, 18,000 upon 3, 6,000. Then firm's goodwill or firm's value today, better unit value today, average profit into number of years purchase. Okay, number of years purchase. So it will be 6,000 into number of years purchase is given 2, so it will be 12,000. Okay, after just this 12,000, we are going to find out the gaining or sacrificing ratio to distribute the value group. Okay, so I am going to rub it because of less stress. Okay, now sacrificing ratio. Old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, x, y, 5 by 8, 3 by 8, minus minus 3 by 8, 5 by 8, 2 by 8 sacrifice, minus 2 by 8 gain. Amount of x and y equals to 2 by 8 into 12,000. So 1 are 4 are 4 3s are. This will be 3,000. So entry we are going to pass is y's capital count equal to x capital count. So y's capital count equal to x capital count. It will be 3,000 by y's capital 3,000. Now we are going to close it and find out the capitals. Okay, so I am going to rub this one also. This was an adjustment. The total here we are going to close here. I am going to write total this side. 55, 57, 65, 500. This will be 60,500. Okay, 54, 55, 56, 59, 60, 300. This will be 60,300. Then it will be 54, 300. To balance carried done. Now we are going to write here capitals, capital accounts. Okay, x, y, 60,500, 54,300. The total will be 1,14,800. 5, 6, 12, 1,26,800. 45, 60, 93, 93, 8. Something went wrong. What is left? Anything is left? Left. Oh, I'm sorry. I have not distributed here. I have not written bank here. Bank 25,000. And sorry, I have to write here to advertisement suspense account. So it will be 500, 300. So this will be 54 and 60. 126, 45, 60, 93, 101, 126. Okay. This is the end of question number 29. Now we move to question number 30 that contains adjustment of capital. Question number 30. Ram, Mohan, Sohan and Hari were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. On 1st April 2016, The balance sheet was as follows. Balance sheet was given capitals, workman compensation reserve, fixed assets, current assets. Okay. From the above date, the partners decided to share the future profits in the ratio of 1, 2, 3, 4. For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 1,80,000. The partners also agreed for the following. The claim for workman compensation has been estimated 1,50,000. Adjust the capitals of partners according to the new profit sharing ratio by opening partners' current account. Prepare revaluation account, partners' capital account, and the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So let us study. Revaluation account, particular rupees, okay. Now the balance sheet. Enough. This is enough. Okay. Balance sheet as at 1/4/16, the date is given 16, particular, liability rupees, assets rupees. Now the capital goes there are 4 partners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Partners capital account. Okay. Debit, credit, particular, Ram, Mohan, Soham, and Hari. Particulars: Ram, Mohan, Soham, Hari. So let us start. The capitals are given. So by balance, B 4 lakh, 4,50,000, 2,50,000, and 2 lakh. Okay. Now we say workman compensation is 1,20,000, but the claim was 1,50,000. So the entire amount of workman compensation is used, and we are going to take 30,000 from revaluation. So provision for workman compensation claim. Okay, so it is 30,000. The entry was workman compensation reserve account debit, revaluation account debit to provision for workman compensation claim. It is 1,50,000. Okay. Now we move to asset side. It is said there is no adjustment in fixed asset or current asset, so we are going to write as it is. So fixed assets, it is not going to be changed, that is 9 lakh. Okay, and current asset, it is 5,20,000. Okay, now we move to the adjustment. Goodwill is given 1,80,000. For that we are going to find out the gaining and sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. Okay, Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari, the ratio was 4/10, 3/10, 2/10, 1/10, and the new ratio was 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10. Okay, so it will be 3/10 sacrifice, 1/10 sacrifice, minus 1/10 gain, and minus 3/10 gain. Okay, now we are going to find out the amount of goodwill they are going to adjust. Okay, so Ram and Hari, 3/10 into 1,80,000. So it is going to be 54. Okay, and Mohan and Sohan, 1/10 into 1,80,000. So it is going to be 18,000. Okay, so we are going to adjust the goodwill in both the partners. So the entries, if you see, Sohan's capital account debit, Hari's capital account debit. So we are going to write here Sohan's capital account debit, Hari's capital account debit to Ram's capital to Mohan's capital. Okay, the Ram was getting from Hari is 54,000. So here it will be 54,000, and Mohan is getting from Sohan. So it is 18,000. Now same way we are going to write here by Mohan's capital by Hari's capital. Sohan's capital by Hari's capital. Okay. Now the amount Ram is getting from Hari is 54,000, and Mohan is getting from Sohan 18,000. Okay. This is the entry we have asked for goodwill. Then we move to workman compensation is already over. Now we are going to close the revaluation account. So this is 30,000. There is a loss of 30,000 in revaluation account. We are going to close by partners capital account. This is loss. Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. So 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. This will be debited to the revaluation account. 12,000, 9,000, 6,000 and 3,000. Now we say Now it is very important. It is said that the capital accounts of the partners will be adjusted in the new ratio. So we are going to calculate the capital adjustment. Now I am going to run this. I am going to write the partner's name: Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. This is the credit total, this is the debit total, and we will find out. It is 454 credit total. Mohan, it is 468. It is 250, and this is 2 lakh here. Okay. Now here it is 12,000 debit. It is 9,000 debit. Then it is 24,000 debit. It is 57,000 debit. Okay. Now we are going to find out the difference. That will be the total amount that we are going to calculate. This is 4,42,000. This is 4,59,000. This is 2,26,000. This is 1,43,000. Okay, the total amount will be 4, 8, 10, 11, 12 lakh 1, 12, 27, 12 lakh 30, 12 lakh 70. Okay, this is 12 lakh 70,000. We are going to distribute in the new ratio, that is 10. So it will be 1,27,000 for one ratio. Now it is 1, so I am going to write here to balance, carry down 1,27,000, and for 2 it will be 2,54,000. For 3 it will be 3,81,000. Then 4 it will be 5,08,000. Okay. Then we are going to close it. Now we are going to find out the balancing fee. If you see the total of this one is more, so it will be 4,54,000. 4,54,000. Out of that, 1,27,000 goes so to partners current account. This is balance. Okay. So the total will be 39,5, 44, 54, then it will be 3 like 15,000, 3, 4, 17, okay, is over. Now it will be 4,68,000, 4,68,000. So it is 263, 268, 268, 468, 2,05,000. Now if you see this total is more, so it will be 91, 99, 4,05,000, 4,05,000. So 1,55,000. Okay. Now this total is more, 5,54,000, 62, 65. 5,65,000. Okay. So it is going to be 5,65,000. So 3,65,000. Okay. Now we are going to close the capital account. This is very important. You have to remember. This is a capital adjustment. After doing revaluation, you have to do it. This is important. Now we are going to write capitals. Capital accounts here. Ram, Mohan, Sohan, Hari. 1,37,000, 2,54,000, 3,81,000 and 5,08,000. So the total is, it will be 12,07,000. Okay. Now the current account of Hari, Ram and Mohan will be on the credit side. So current account Ram, Mohan will be shown here 3,15,000 and 2,05,000. So it is going to be 5,20,000. Now current account of Sohan and Hari will be written on the asset side, 1,55,000 and 3,65,000. So it is going to be 4,520,000. Okay. So we are going to use it. The total should be same. Let us see. 15, 17, 18, 19 lakh 20, 19 lakh 40. 14, 19 lakh 40,000. Okay. So it is very easy. Always you will get your total same because we are going to do it by double entry system. Let us move to next question. Question number 31. Question number 31. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh were partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 2:2:3:3. On 1st April 2016, their balance sheet was as follows: capitals, creditors, workmen compensation reserve, asset side, fixed asset, current asset. From the above, the partners decided to share the future profits equally. For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 90,000. It was also agreed that claim against workmen compensation reserve to be estimated at 1 lakh and the fixed asset will be depreciated by 10%. The capital of the partners will be adjusted according to the new profit sharing ratio. For this, necessary cash will be bought or paid by the partners as the case may be. So it is said prepare revaluation account, partners capital and the balance sheet of the reconstituted firm. So let us start. 31. Right, debit, partners capital loan, particular, Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh, Ganesh, particular, Suresh, Ramesh, Ganesh, Ganesh. Okay, so this is revaluation account. Ready? Okay. Particular rupees, particular rupees. This is balance sheet. Asset, first chapter 16. Okay. Liability, rupees. Assets, rupees. Okay, let us start with the capitals. By balance between 1,50,000, 2,50,000. Okay, this is capitals. Now creditors, we don't have any adjustment, so semi creditors. The amount is 1,70,000. Now the working compensation is only 75,000, but the claim is 1 lakh. So entire reserve will be utilized. Then we require 25,000 from revaluation, so to provision for workman compensation claim. This will be 25,000, and the total provision for workman compensation claim will be 1 lakh. Okay. Now, next thing is given, fixed assets will be depreciated by 10%. So we are going to take the fixed assets. Okay, 6 lakh. We are going to less depreciation 10%, 60,000. That will give 5 lakh 40,000. Okay, so to fixed assets 60,000. It is over. Now goodwill is given 90,000, that we are going to do afterwards. First we are going to do revaluation account. It is 85,000. 85,000. The ratio given is 2:3:3, that is 10 by partner's capital account. This is loss. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh, Ganesh. Okay, so 85,000, 10, so 8,500, 8,500 twos are 2:3 is the ratio. So 16, 17,000, 17,000, 8 is 24, 25,500, 25,500. Okay, 50, 34, 35. Okay, so it is all. Now here, so it will be W to revaluation account. 17,000, 25,500, 25,500. Now we are going to do the adjustment of goodwill. So we are going to find out the sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. So
So first Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh. The ratio is 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 3 by 10. It is 1 by 4 because equal ratio is equal. 1 by 4. So it will be 20. 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 20. This is gain. 20. 4 minus 5 minus 1 by 20. This is also gain. 20. 3 minus 2 equals to 1 by 20. This is sacrifice. Same way 3 minus 2 by 20. This should be 1 by 20. This is sacrifice. So Mahesh and Ganesh are sacrificing. Now we are going to find out the ratio. So 90,000 into 1 by 20, that will be 4,500. Okay, the amount of wool will be is 90,000 and it is 1 by 20. So it is going to be 4,500. Now the entry for the sale will be Suresh capital account debit, Ramesh capital account debit to Mahesh capital to Ganesh capital with the amount 4,500. So we are going to write Suresh capital account debit, Ramesh capital to Mahesh capital to Ganesh capital. The amount is 4,500 by Suresh capital by Ramesh capital. Okay, so it is going to be Mahesh 4,500 and Ganesh 4,500. Now all the adjustments are over. Now we are going to have capital adjustment. So let us start. The same way as we have done in the previous question, we are going to find out the adjusted capital of the partners. Partners capital. So it is Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh and Ganesh. Right? Debit. That side total is 1 lakh. That is 1,50,000. 2,04,500 and 2,54,500. Debit side it is 21,500. It is also 21,500. It is 25,500. It is 25,500. Okay. Now we are going to close it. It will be 78,500. It is going to be 1,28,500. It is going to be 4, 5, 21, 21, 179. Okay, then it will be 000, 9, 229. Okay, now let us have the total 2, 3, 4 lakh, 4 lakh, 5 lakh 6, 5 lakh 7, 5 lakh 7, 5 lakh 70, 5 lakh 86, 586, 6 lakh 6, 6 lakh 15, Okay, capital is 6 lakh 15. Okay, divided by the new ratio was equal, so divide by 4. So it is going to be 4 with the 4, 2 carry, 4 5 are 20, 1 carry, 4 3 are 12, 3 carry, 4 7 are 28, 2 carry, 4 5 are 20. So the capital is 1,53,750. Now we are going to do the adjustment. Okay, so all the capitals are 1,53,750 to balance carry down 1,53,750, 1,53,750, 1,53,750, 1,53,750. Any adjustment that we are going to do is in cash. So either it will be cash bought in or cash paid. Okay, so this is cash paid and this is cash bought in. So let us see who is going to bought the things. Let's find out by using the capital account. This is 1 lakh. If you see the total of this side is more, so 1,75,250. Then this side total is 150, 170, 175, 250. Okay, and now we are going to have this one here, 1,75,250. So it is going to be 75,250, and it will be 1,75,250. So it is going to be 25,250. Okay. Now that side total is more, so that will be 2,04,500. Sorry, 2,04,500. Now if you see, we require 179 and we have 153,750. So it is going to be 250 here, 250 to make it 74, 74 and 5, 79. Okay. So it is 59. So it is 4 and 5, 9. That means now it remains 2. 25,250. It is 2,54,500. 2,54,500. So it is going to be 229. So it will be 250. So it will be 4 and 5. So it is going to be 9, then 7. Okay, 75,250 we are going to add in cash and we are going to deduct. So in cash account, we are going to take Suresh capital 75,250, add Ramesh capital 25,250 less Suresh capital Mahesh capital 25,250 and less Ramesh capital. That is 75,250. So if you see the balances, then now we are going to use it by writing the capital here. So let us move to capital. Okay. So capital accounts. Suresh, Ramesh, Mahesh, Ganesh. So it is going to be 1,53,750, 1,53,750, 1,53,750, 1,53,750. Okay, this is 4 lakh, 6 lakh, 612 and 615. 615, 715, 815, 885. Okay, so current account we have not written. Current account, current assets, sorry. Current assets are given 3,45,000. So it is going to be 885. Okay, so this is the end of question number 31. Now we move. Question number 32. Following is the balance sheet of A and B, who share profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1 as at 1st April 2019. Capitals AB, reserves, creditors, and asset, land and building, furniture, stock, data, bank, cash. On the above date, the partners changed their profit sharing ratio to 3:2. For this purpose, the goodwill of the firm was valued at 3 lakh. The partners also agreed for the following: the value of land and building to be 5 lakh, will be 5 lakh. Reserve is to be maintained at 3 lakh. Okay, the total firm's capital of partners in the new firm will be 6 lakh, which will be shared by the partners in the new profit sharing ratio. It is said prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet of the three constituted firms. So let us start. It is said prepare revaluation account, partners capital account, balance sheet. So let us start. Partners capital. So partners are there. Partners are AB, ready, particular, AB, particular, debit, partners capital amount. It is revaluation account, right, debit, particular, rupees, particular, rupees. This is balance sheet, asset, first April 19, liability, rupees, assets, rupees. Let us start categories. My balance period, the amount is 3 lakh 2 lakh. Then reserves they are going to be issued. By reserves, the amount introduced to 1, so 1,60,000 will be 1,60,000. Then there is creditors, there is no adjustment, so we are going to write creditors here directly, amount 2 lakh. Okay, then land and building, there is an adjustment, so land and building amount is 2,90,000. Okay, then furniture, no adjustment, the amount is 80,000. Then stock, no adjustment, 2,40,000. Then debtors, no adjustment, 1,50,000. Then bank, I'm not going to adjustment in bank, 60,000. Cash, let us take in for adjustment 30,000. Okay, this is posting over. Now this is goodwill will be valued like 3 lakh. So let us calculate sacrificing ratio. So sacrificing ratio equals to old ratio minus new ratio. So A, B, this is 2 by 3, 1 by 3, it is 3 by 5, 2 by 5. So it is going to be 15, 5 to the 10, 9, 1 by 15 is a sacrifice, 15, 5 minus 6 equals to 1 by 15, this is gain. So amount will be 1 by 15 into 3 lakh. So 15 to the 30, 20,000. Okay. Now, as the amount is 20,000 of goodwill adjustment, B is given. So B's capital account to A's capital account. The amount will be by B's capital account 20,000. Okay. Next one is land and building is to be valued at 5 lakh. So land and building will be valued at 5 lakh. So 2 lakh 10,000. This is add appreciation. Okay. So by land and building, this is 2 lakh 10,000. Okay. Then it is said reserves to be maintained at 3 lakh. So we are going to show the reserves 3 lakh. It is credited here. So again it is going to be debited here to reserves in new ratio. Okay. So it is going to be in the ratio of 3:2. So 5, 6 are 30, 6 is going to be 1 lakh 80, 1 lakh 20. Okay. Now, next thing is capital balance. New capital balance is given 6 lakh. It will be distributed in 3:2. So 12 5s are 60, 12 3s are 36, 2 lakh 60,000, 2 lakh 40,000. Okay. And this is the end of the question. We are going to close the question. Is 2 lakh 10,000. Always you close the revaluation first. 2 lakh 10,000 to partners capital. It will be distributed in partners capital in old ratio. So it is 2:1. 2 lakh 10,000. So 3, 3, 7, 7 to 14, 1 lakh 14. And 70 by revaluation account. Okay, this is 1 lakh 40 and 70,000. Now we are going to close the capital account because adjustment we have already done. If not stated, the difference amount will be bought in cash. Okay. So let us see. This will be 4 lakh 5 lakh 40. It will be 540 560. 5 lakh 60. 5 lakh 60. So 20,000 in cash amount. Okay. And by cash account, let us see, 240, 360, 380, 380,000. It is going to be 380,000. 380 minus 320 equals to 60,000. Okay, so add B's capital, it will be 60,000, and less A's capital, 20,000. So it is going to be 70,000 outside. Now let us close. First we write capital accounts here. A, B, 3,60,000, 2,40,000. It will be 6 lakh, 6, 9, 11 lakh. Okay, this is 580, 720, 820, 820, 970, 970, 1040, 1040, 11 lakh. This is the end of question number 13 and the chapter change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. Thank you for watching the video. After this we are going to start our chapter admission. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe. Thank you.